So, hello mga boss! Welcome dito sa video na course natin sa ating Shopify course. So, di ba sinabi ko sa last video natin is we are going to make a domain, pero hindi muna na natin gagawin yan kasi may nakalagay pala dito na parang guide, no? Kung ano bang dapat unahin natin. So, nakalagay dito, para hindi tayo malilito, may nakalagay dito na add product, customize theme, add domain, set up sales channel. So, we're going to follow this, okay? So, to add a product, of course, you can go here or you can go here. Pero, in this case, ang tawag dyan, we are going to click here and then make sure na kapag mag-add kayo ng product, kasi ito rin yung example ng client nyo. Kasi most of the clients kasi sa Shopify, the client will tell you na, okay, Jake, you can please add this product. And mostly, yung mga clients, sila na yung gumagawa ng mga designs or mga t-shirts or whatsoever. So, in this case, for this presentation, meron akong product dito, guys. Hoodie, which is available na ngayon sa aking store. If you want to purchase, you can go to homebaseconnect.com/hbcmerch. This is the design na ginawa ng friend ko. We are going to add this one. Click natin yung add product. Boom. I tell you guys, this is really easy. So, ang title, lagay ko ito HBC, yung Homebase Connect, $15 kasi ito yung ito yung pinakataas kong na rate. So, ito yung dapat yung goal natin, guys. Magkaroon tayo ng $15 per hour na rate. Hoodie. Lagay natin, unisex hoodie. Pero usually, some of the clients, guys, to tell you, this to let you know, na some of the clients, sila na yung nag-provide ng title, description, mga media, and yung mga pricing nila. So, you don't really have to worry about this kasi mostly, ang ginagawa, ang binibigay ng client is yung mga kompletong details na talaga. Wala pa akong experience na ako talaga yung gumawa ng description. Ang description, what is the example of description, guys? If we are going to go here sa homebaseconnect.com, this is our website. This is my personal website. So, if we're going to go here, by the way, guys, ginagamit ko dito is a Shopify store. Very much presentable to. So, if we're going to go here sa ating HBC merch, which is, I think, I'll be changing this one to HBC clothing. If we're going to click here, ito yung description. Okay? Dito nakalagay yung description. Pag wala kayong nilagay dito, guys, pag wala kayong nilagay dito, ang nakalagay ito lang, guys, is yung HBC lang. Okay? This is a paid na theme, so di tayo makarelate ito. Let's go back sa basic. Let's go sa aking isang website. This is also a Shopify website, pero ginamit namin dito is yung free na template na sa Shopify. This is our business, actually. This is a family business. Ng mama ko, ng papa ko, tsaka yung mga kapatid ko. If you try to go here sa all product, ito, example, this is a description. Ito yung description na you usually dapat ilagay dito. So, for the purpose of this presentation, lagyan natin ng description, okay? So, ang description natin, again guys, you don't have to worry about this kasi may mga clients na nagpo-provide na sila nito. And kung di sila mag-provide, that's why sa mga interview, they will ask you if do you have background experience to write a product description. So, ngayon pa lang, guys, is I would suggest na to really study how to do product description. Kasi yan ang chance nyo na ma-hire kayo as Shopify na freelancer. This is a sample description, okay? Okay, so, lagyan natin yung kasi ayoko ng mahabang videos, okay? Anyway, after naman nakalagay na kayong description, ang media is, ito yung media, yung mga pictures, no? Ito yung mga pictures ng product natin. So, what we are going to do here, since my product na ako, guys, okay, I'm just gonna drag this, no? Pwede natin i-drag yan. Same thing with your clients, sila yung magpo-provide ng mga products nyo, okay? Let's for example, meron pa dito isa, boom, and meron pa isa. Okay? Here you have it, media. Okay, next is we are going to talk about the price. So, ang price is, again, hindi kayo mag-worry nito kasi ang usually nagbibigay nito is yung client. Hindi kayo naglalagay dito. Pero, yun nga, if yung task nyo is to also update this, then doing this, magkaroon din kayo ng background nito. Okay? Pero pag US yung client mo, or Australia, or Canada, usually, ang currency is in dollars. Okay? So ngayon, since I'm doing this in the Philippines, and Philippines yung target market ko nito, yung currency natin is Philippine peso. Okay? So, ang binibenta ko to siya, guys, na 1,499. Compared price natin is 2,499. Of course, para magkaroon siya ng discount. Alright, cost per item, pwede na itong tanggalin. Pwede na wala. Customer won't see this naman. So, charge this. Uncheck natin usually. Available product, usually yung client ko before nag-add na kami ng 500. And ito yung search engine optimization ng SEO. Ito yung lalabas sa Google. Country of region, in this case, ilagay natin ito Philippines. Pero usually, worldwide itong nilagay dito. So, I think may worldwide. May worldwide ba? Check natin ha. Wala. Sige. Okay. Ito, harmonized system, hindi na namin nilalagyan yan. And then, after that is you are done. So, in order for this product to be uploaded, ilagay natin dito sa product status and ilagay natin dito is active, no? Active, boom. And then once it's done, click natin yung save. Alright? Ganun kadali, guys. Like I said, I hate doing long videos. So, yun, check na natin. In order for, yun, congratulations, you added your first product. Again, guys, this is applicable sa mga client nyo and if you have your own personal business na gusto nyo ibenta. Let's say, for example, nagbebenta kayo ng mga wallets, apparels, or clothings, or whatever na binibenta nyo, you can apply this one. So, ang sulit na sulit po yung course natin, guys. Okay? Congratulations. And in order for you to preview your product, you can basically click here, preview. Boom. Yun, HBC Clothing. Grabe guys, ito na yung product nyo. I think some of you are also familiar with this kasi siguro nakabili na kayo ng mga clothings or mga bags doon sa mga yung nagbebenta sa Facebook. Ito yung ginagamit nila guys, Shopify. Ngayon, alam nyo na, okay? So, add to cart, buy it now. I think hindi pa siya available. Ito yung description na ginawa natin guys. So, yan guys. Yan, okay? Tapos na tayo dun sa product. The next thing that we are going to do sa next video natin is we are going to customize the theme. So, see you sa next video mga boss. God bless.